Us today, front and center, we have the star of our presentation, our Yellow Lake Amazon, Fernando. All right, this young man has lots to say, so we're going to get him started. Really cheerful today. Now, Fernando's a very polite little bird, so a question to ask you all. Nice little how are you? I see some lovely smiles out there, and that's really what counts. Now, he might be called Fernando, but we do call him Nando so much. It's the way he likes to introduce himself, so tell everybody your nickname. That's right, he loves to hear himself sing that one out nice and loud. And being a parrot, well, he is playful by nature. So favorite game for little Fernando to play, I think you guys might know this one. He loves to be tickled. Now when we're tickled, well, we laugh, and so does Fernando. Keeps him chuckling, of course, and he is our master of sound effects, so he's come up with a few on his own. First off, the sound we make when we drink that nice cold glass of water on a hot safari day. All right, staying very hydrated, of course, and well, he has also learned to imitate us with a cough. Okay, these natural instincts to pick up on sounds that they hear often, we thought, why not teach them a few animal sound effects? So we started with a pig. Pretty rude, we thought. So next up, went to the bark of a dog. Not thinking he'll ever scare anyone around with that bark. Now, obviously quite talented, he is musically talented too. So you're in for a treat. Fernando loves to whistle, sing, and even dance. All right, warmed himself up, ready to whistle. Now the thing about whistling, he likes to make the tunes up as he goes along. So we are going to see what he has for everyone in store today. Well, there you have a very lovely Fernando original today. Okay, I'm happy to see you enjoy that. Unfortunately for him, when he was learning to sing, he had to learn to sing from us. So, not the best example. He is terribly off-key now, so we're going to ask you to use your imagination in order to appreciate and even recognize this song. That was pretty bad. Okay, you know what? We're going to tune him in. I think maybe that might help. I think we're in key now. Okay, are we ready? Shall we sing? Anyone know that song? Yeah, a little bit of our national anthem, of course. Of the over 350 species of parrot, not a single one native to Canada. However, all the ones you're meeting here today, certainly very proud to be Canadian, so let's hear that again. Beautifully sung, Fernando. Give it up for him today. Well, here at African Lions Bar, we like to say that the first